Hi, my name is Clinton from GrimmSpeed, and I'm going to be walking you through the installation of the GrimmSpeed Radiator Shroud for the 2015 Plus Subaru WRX and STI. This is a relatively easy installation and should only take about 15 to 20 minutes. Begin by removing the 3 pop clips running along the front of the bumper. Simply pry the clips up with a small flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the 6 10mm screws running along the front of the bumper. Once all fasteners have been removed, you can remove the metal bracket. Now remove the 10mm screw on the top of each headlight. Grab your new cover and install the included rubber gasket as seen here. Put the cover in place, being sure to slide the cover underneath the radiator cap. Then lift up the lip of the bumper and slide the cover underneath. Line up the holes, then place the metal bracket back in place. Insert the 3 pop clips back into the holes to hold the cover in place. Next, start to thread in the 10mm screws with your fingers. Lastly, thread in the 2 bolts for the headlights. Make sure the cover is aligned correctly, then push and secure the pop clips and tighten all the bolts with your 10mm socket.